The Unity program is a week-long program that happens the week before the semester starts. That was really designed to get students acclimated to campus. It is intended to focus on identities, to help students connect with other students who share similar identities and have had similar experiences to what they might experience while they're on campus.
Being in the diversity program so far, day 3, is really exciting. I got to know 7 new people and they're all pretty cool. It's a great chance to exclusively learn about your resources that you have.
We do things like explore the city of Manchester. We meet with different parties on campus, so we have advisors come, we have career services come, we meet with some of the other pre-matriculation programs that is happening during that time.
What I love about the Unity program is that I get to communicate and interact with other people from different places, really get to know each other. It's pretty fun. I've been having fun these past few days. It's a great opportunity to, just to know your resources, get to know around campus, and meet new friends. So yeah, I definitely recommend joining the Unity program.